Officer Dave, you open my courtroom, please?
The state of Michigan 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge David S. Robinson Jr. presiding. Court is now in session. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Counsel. How are you doing today?
Good. And yourself?
So far, so good, but it's still early.
All right. So far, so good.
All right, we are on the record calling file number 22-180-804, Jefferson Capital System versus Laverne Carter. Date and time for pretrial, your appearances.
Thank you, Your Honor. Michael Bankstein, P69778 on behalf of Jefferson Capital Systems.
What is your name, ma'am?
Laverne Carter.
All right, where are we on this file, people? We were last together on this file on May the 17th. This is our second pretrial. The court opened your written discovery. Where are we on this file?
Here's where we're at, Your Honor. We have reached a settlement whereby a defendant is to pay $300 on or before June 30th. We've prepared a conditional dismissal, and I've been told one of our assistants faxed that over to the court last evening.
Is that $300 full and complete resolution of the case?
That's what the notes are indicating to me.
Is that your understanding, Ms. Carter?
Yes, sir.
Is that what you've agreed to?
Yes, sir.
All right, what I'll do then, I don't have anything from you on the file. I will simply give you a return date and anticipating that the case will be settled and the closing documents will be in my possession before that time. Does July 12th work for both of you? And again,
It does, Your Honor.
Oh, is that okay, Ms. Carter?
Yes, sir.
July 12th, 10 o'clock will be our next date, pretrial date. I do not expect to see you. I expect to have the closing documents and all the thing done before that time, okay?
Thank you, Your
Okay.
Honor. You said 7/12 at 10 a.m.?
July 12th, 10 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
Coming in.
Thank you.
Well,
All right.
hello? No audio. Hello?
Aye.
What is your name, ma'am?
Desiree Burns.
I have Mr. Burke. Let's get started. Mr. Burke,
Yes, Your Honor.
we are ready to go on case 22-178-096, Beaumont Health System versus Desiree Burns. Your respective appearances at our pretrial today.
This is Hal Burke, P69068, attorney for Beaumont Health on this case.
And your name, ma'am.
Desiree Burns.
Okay, a couple of things here. First of all, I received on June 7th a packet of information from Ms. Burns. Ms. Burns, you may not send me correspondence. You must send any correspondence to the plaintiff's lawyer. Anything that the court gets is supposed to be sent to the plaintiff's lawyer.
Well, I tried to send it to him and the email that he had given me was not correct. I tried to call them and I left several messages with the number that I found online and still no response. I left messages and no response from them to give me the correct email.
You sent me this by snail mail. On your complaint
Yes,
you were served with, that you filed an answer, you have an address for the plaintiff's lawyer. So
correct.
you send whatever you sent me by snail mail to him by snail mail as well,
What's snail mail?
or the United States Post Office,
Okay,
envelope, postage stamp, like you sent me.
okay.
All right, we opened your written discovery on May 17th. Where are we on this file?
Your Honor, I do not know, I don't believe I've ever. I'm happy to give her my email and I do agree. Of course, she has our mailing ad. Maybe a breakout session, she and I could resolve it, and part of that, I would ask, I don't believe you set a trial date.
No, but where are we on our discovery? That's what I'm interested in at this point.
I have no intention to file or nor need anything. I don't know if Miss Burns does.
Okay,
Happy
man,
to
are
enter.
you intending to do any written discovery here? Ms. Burns,
I'm sorry, what'd you say?
I'm asking you, ma'am, I opened your written discovery when we were last
Okay.
together. And I'm asking you, if you intend to do any written discovery. Plaintiff has indicated they do not.
You mean send them that information? Is that what you're saying?
Ma'am,
Mail that?
you should send them that information. I'm directing you to do that. But you
Okay.
also have the opportunity to do such things as seek production of documents, send written questions to be answered under oath, interrogatories. You have the right to send requests for admissions, all of those things as well. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to
Okay.
continue your written discovery. I'm going to give you a return date. Your return date with me will be July 12th at 10 o'clock. Does that work for everybody?
Yes.
Mr. Burke?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right,
Yes, it
July
does.
12th, 10 o'clock.
A written discovery. This is,
What I'm going to do is I'm going to put you guys into a chat room. If you are able to settle the case, then come back to me today. If you do not settle the case, you simply leave, get started on your written discovery. Ms. Burns, you send all the things you sent to me to Mr. Burke, and we'll talk again July 12th at 10 o'clock. Okay?
okay.
Thank you.
All right.
All right.
Thank you.
Put you in the chat room now. You don't need to come
Thank
back to me unless you settle.
Okay.
Assume my technology is working today. Let's always assume that.
Mhm.
Let's try 2. Let's try room 2. Okay, they're both.
No, breakout.
You just joined the breakout room, ma'am. There we go. Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
What brings you here today?
Your Honor, I'm here just to notify the court of a settlement. There was a pretrial scheduled in a case that you have on your docket, and the case has settled. We have the stip and order ready to file.
What is your case number?
The case number is 21173-243 GC.
That's the rate check cashing versus
Correct.
farmers property?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's call your file and you can put your settlement on the record.
Thank you. I'm defendant.
That's okay. You're the one paying the money, so obviously you can put it on the record.
Thanks.
This is file number 21173-243. Rate check cashing LLC versus farmers property and casualty. Date and time for pretrial. Could I have your appearance?
Good morning, Your Honor. Lynn DeBell. I'm here for defendant farmers.
Bar number.
P64728.
And counsel, you advising that the matter's been settled?
Yes, Your Honor, it has been settled. We have the stip and order of dismissal ready, and we will send it out for filing today.
Accepting your representation as officer of the court, I will dismiss the matter without prejudice. Looking forward to your closing documents.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
All right, you have a good day, because be safe out there.
Thank you, you too. Take care.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Where did I get apps here? Where's my dismissal? Oh, here we go. So right there, we wanted to retire this. But yeah, you put this baby on and like, let's go out for lunch. You know, I walk the railroad tracks. It's straight pieces of coal. That's a station. Oh, yeah, no, you know. No, so, yeah. Those of you that have used it. Set them up with. And let's spend some else. Good morning, Mr. Narlock.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Who are you representing today?
I am here on behalf of Metro Women's Health, PLLC.
Okay, I do not have the defendant as of yet. Put you back in the waiting room and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
You're ready to go. With the solar charger. That's right. That's 3 of them done. 6, 6.
Yeah, I love the fact that this emergency meeting is something that you can use every day. I mean, it's going to be there for you in an emergency, but for the rest of the time, it's not sitting on the shelf. You're using it all the time, checking out what the weather is going to be. Listen to Jay, you can listen to this broadcast and whatever else you can listen to. No membership needed, everyone. No password, nothing too complicated. No learning curve. Yeah, no, so easy. 866. So here is, I think, one of the most beautiful pieces of music. And it is the second movie of this one. So you know why. always love that music. It's like a separate group. So you know, 22 minutes after the hour 10 o'clock. With the music, thanks to you and your support, we will offer your support as we wrap up our fiscal year, which ends on June 30th. So membership drive reminds you of your purpose to the mission of music. We have here 17 minutes now. This is okay. Keep the expenses low and ensure that we invest back into the equipment, digital signal, free WRCJ app, streaming our signal from our website so you can see anytime. I know you find that important. 866-909-9725. Simply dial that number. And what Dave said, you make it all happen. So you call 866-909-9725. Gift to support this fiscal year. And you make your gift, your dollars are in your hands. You vote best in your donation and so your love. That's it. That's the formula. Like you say, that's how 17 years. 866-909-9725. Here's something new about the WCJ Frank Radio. Popular gift 2022. $12.50 a month. You enjoy music all the time. Whether radio or whatever, you go to the flashlight and phone charger. Gift. Combine that with two other things that dashboard bobblehead and the Beethoven socks, the bobblehead, the socks, and the all years we package them together for CJ 866-909-9725. Nothing but they happier than the baseball club for people to read. Beethoven to America. We'll take some pictures. It's like Beethoven. They third base for that's a good thing. Yeah, check on that. But yeah. 866-909-9725. We got the facts here at the radio station. All of the Farmington Hills, thank you very much. You know, I have to thank so many of our listeners who are already members. So, listeners who that could be some sustainable. It's the WRC thing because they want to, because it's important, because they know. They see the power of music and what it means. But just having it, 866-909-9725. Dan from Detroit, thanks for your thanks to Barry from Royal. 866-909-9725. The drawing, yeah, for the July 15th, that's Tuesday night, 7:10 start for the game. A dozen of your friends and luxury suite. That's going to be full. But you got to register. 866-909-9725. That's when you register for the ball. That's what the network too. 866-909-9725. Great business.
We are on the record calling file number 22180836, Metro Women's Health versus Jordan Parker. Could I have your appearance?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Brian Narlock, P number 83990, appearing today on behalf of plaintiff and sitting in for attorney of record Scott Renner.
All right, this is our adjourned date from our first pretrial. We were last together on this file on May 17th, 2022. At that time, the defendant appeared by Zoom and was able to join the main session. Plaintiff's counsel checked in but could not, for whatever reason, join the main Zoom session. So we adjourned the matter to today, June 14th at 10 o'clock. This date and time was agreed upon by the court as well as Ms. Jordan Parker, who was the only litigant able to join the Zoom session at that time. It's now after 10:30. Plaintiff has appeared. Defendant has failed to appear. No good cause for that failure having been shown. The default of the defendant is hereby entered. We will send you out a copy of that today, sir. We look forward to your motion for default judgment. Thank you for coming in. We are off the record.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good rest of your day.
Glad you guys got your technical stuff straightened out.
Yes,
It was
we
really,
did. Thank
it was
you.
really frustrating because, he was there, but we couldn't get into the main session.
Yeah, sometimes we have a little bit of technical difficulties with connections, but we seem to have everything back in order here. So
We all work for our IT department.
exactly, especially working with Zoom, right?
Absolutely. Thanks a lot. Let's be safe.
Thank you. Have a good rest of your day again.
You too, sir.
keeping the music alive together. We do it each and every day. Thanks to you, the most generous listeners in the world are CJ listeners, people that are devoted to this, people that really value great radio, great music, and everything about the music and special programs that we bring to you each year. We value that. You're going to support. So thank you in advance right now. As we wrap up fiscal year fundraising here, it's Tuesday morning. It's so great to hear from you. Yeah, you make the music. So grateful for your generosity. Giving audience. You've come through for 17 months of WLCJ, keeping us strong, keeping the music so free at every moment. 14 hours of classical music, 10 hours of jazz all night, always free, available to everyone to enjoy listening. Thanks to your support. 866-909-9725. Donate now at CJ. Well, that's really the reason, Peter, was that we wanted to have this night at the ball. So special thank you. Really, like everything we wanted to do, say thank you to all our listeners, all across the board. Fun. Just together at America Park. And what better way to have it? It's been in the parish executive suite. I've never been. I've seen them, and again, you can register to win that not only for yourself, but your friends. We're going to give you parking passes. You're going to be able to watch the game and talk about, go inside. There's outdoor seating, and then there's a seating inside the box, and then there are television sets there. Hey, you can bring. And if you want to listen to Dan Dickerson, then watch the game instead call the game. I've done that before too. As I sit in the bleachers, hear the analysis of what's happening. Talk with each other. Whatever you want to do, you want everyone to participate in this drawing that we're going to have this Friday. This may be weird, Dave. I love being at the you're a regular. Yeah, I really agree. No, I did. Sometimes I was there last night. Yeah, and we had I had a few sprinkles throughout the game. I was like one of those you gotta get chairs. And if there's a rain delay, then hey, just more pizza and hot dogs. That's not square. I'm just gonna hang all food. Be able to so to get a rain delay, you're emotionless. That's so bad. This is going to be so much fun. When I was person said, electric box, I'm like, let me think about that for about a nanosecond. I'm taking one here for the team. Just one. Okay. How unselfish you always are. Yeah. I saw you text. I text you on Tuesday. That's the date. Love it. I'll be there. Yeah, pretty clear there. They want to take one to be there with you. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to. Sherry was effective. 866-909-9725. Yeah, to register, so you have a chance of winning. Now is the time to do that right now. Don't put it off. So there's no purchase necessary to do this. Just love to hear from you right now. It's our way of saying thank you to you for your continuance. If you are in a situation to make a tax deductible contribution and you haven't gotten that radio. Well, I think everyone should have just a regular radio. It's and I've got like racks overnight. Yeah. Buy another radio. 866-909. Yeah. For a while. What you have to do is type a box. Oh. You know, then when it comes in, like you have to be like the first one there. Right. Make sure that you check the porch. I was gonna say, bring out the porch. That's right. Take the scissors up and you cut the box. Just immediately move it over into walk to the side of the house. Boy. Hey, that radio. We're not listening. Oh, man, this is dangerous. What's going on here? 866-909. So get the crank radio. Listen, you're not going to have to. This is important. I love the radio station. I think we really need to have these not just for emergencies, but for just the land emergency. You're going to be ready to go. You know about the situations. Charge yourself and hours up. We got hot weather for all of a sudden. You can't charge anything. This radio will do it for you. Mother Nature will charge it for you. Use the crank on the side. It's got the solar panel. How much is this and where can you get $12.50? That's 866-909-9722. Their support. Great music. Your test donate. So jail effect. It's that easy. That's not 2 gallons of gas, right? So yeah. And listen, we haven't. It's still $12. No inflation. You should have one. Take a look. And then website, the radio, all the number 866-909. Get the radio. Register to win. Hey, how about some? Thank you to Timothy in East Point and my friend David, who is the calls from David over the years. But you know, we have gotten each other's emails. Wacky. And So always great. And Richard in Ann Arbor. Thank you, Richard. He said the whole family listens. I wish that would happen in my house. But just listen. Just listen. They don't have to agree with me all the time. So anyway, call to the need, David. Richard, good morning to you. Thank you for listening. Thank you for your really so touched of all of our listeners, not only the new listeners like Richard, but making additional paid steps. Are coming forward because of their generosity and because of their value system. How great it is to have not only for yourself but to share with everyone else. During our year-end reminder, yeah, so many of you do the sustaining thing, the automatic gift, $10, $20, and then show your gift, 25, 30, 40 this week. Yeah, 866-909-9725. Well, you know, when you're in a volunteer organization, whether it's a parent teacher, organization, church organization, you know the people that busiest people are the ones that are always going to step forward, make a difference, and all of us can make a difference. With other people. It's just that stepping forward, taking that first step, which is so rewarding in the long run. Sharing what you have with other people. 866-909-975. I'm very grateful for your generous support. Calls your close to this commercial fund. We really this time thinking, what can we do? And really the special for all of our people. A night with the Detroit Tigers. How can it be any more Detroit centric than downtown? Smooth beautiful America Park. Plus, it's in the Lance Parish luxury suite. You, Justin friends, and Dave Black. He's going to be there. I'm so looking forward to July the 5th, Tuesday night. We're going to have a drawing this Friday. Could be you. If you got a call to register, 866-909-9725, like Kevin did from Troy. Calls coming up. Rainer from West Bloomfield, Rudy from Sterling Heights. Thanks to Shelley from Ann Arbor. Thanks to Stephanie in Southfield. Thanks to Harry Frazier. We've all made calls at 866-909-9725. So let me get this right. So you can go to the luxury box, but it is your box. There's nobody else there except your family and friends, so you can bring up a dozen people. On the way down, just free parking as is right near the door, and enjoy the game. You don't care if it rains or not rains. The inside. Now I've seen a picture of this. So there's outdoor seating. It looks like 8 seats outside, and of course there's seating of couches and comfy chairs on the inside, and then the TVs that are there on the wall. So if you want to take a break, if you want to get out of the sun, or if it just happens to rain that night. Oh, you were there last night. It was raining, but they continued. I mean, it's unless it's coming down and right. It's got playing me. And it's not going to be. I'm going to take a flyer on this, but I don't think you're going to be close. Probably. I'll take that. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah. Time is of the essence here. So it's 866-909-9725. This Friday at noon on the commercial right here on the air. And the game is around 7:10. Luxury box suite. 909-9725. Let's listen to this music about the
Morning.
Morning, Your Honor.
Okay,
Was,
you've got two defendants, right, Mr. Falzon?
well, I think, well, Doug's from my office.
Oh,
So,
okay,
I think
that's what I'm looking at. Oh,
there
okay.
might be double coverage.
Which matter are you on, Joe?
I am here on, if it would open up, I am here on Jalise Sheffield.
Yep, you can cover if you want.
No, that's okay. It's your case. For some reason, I just thought you needed coverage.
Nope, I didn't get called in jury duty again today, so
Very good. Have a nice day, Doug.
thanks, you too, man. Good morning, Honor. How are you?
Good, yourself?
I'm not too bad. Again, I didn't get called into jury duty in federal court this morning, so
Surprised you're doing it.
I mean they make you call in for a whole week. So I have to have backup coverage for everything just in case.
I understand.
Yeah.
Certainly can be an inconvenience.
Yeah, but it's our civic duty, so
Indeed. Where's this guy here? All right, we are on the record. This is 22-177-980. Jalise Sheffield versus Allstate Insurance, your respective appearances.
good morning, Your Honor. Doug Harriskevich on behalf of the plaintiff.
Bar number.
Good morning, Your Honor.
E1458.
Counsel,
Good morning, Your Honor. Blake Carmichael on behalf of defendant Allstate, P number 85408.
okay, Mr. Carmichael, for your information, there is no Center versus FB case on my docket.
Oh, yeah, I forgot to change my name. That's my fault.
I almost removed you, figured you were on the.
I'm sorry.
Okay, we were last together on this file on the 17th of May, and at that time, the defendant had not made its initial disclosures. Since then, the court has received them, so it seems that both sides have made their initial disclosures. What is the amount in controversy here, ballpark?
Currently, well, I know is 7,000, but I'm waiting on a couple medical bills to be confirmed.
But it's
So-
not likely to exceed my jurisdiction.
No, not at this time.
Okay, well, here's, my concern is always that, because obviously I can't act if I'm outside of my subject matter limitation. All right, so you guys have done your disclosures. And let's get started on resolution of the file. How long is it going to take you, the council, to get the other bills that you're looking at, so you can, Mr. Carmichael, can take a look at what your claim is?
I'm hoping with the next 30 days, but I'm sure they want to do a little bit of discovery. I think they have my client's deposition scheduled, ordering some records, so I'd ask for 60 days.
Well, at this point, and again, the district court, as you know, discovery is either by stipulation of parties or by leave of court. And the reason I have you do the 2.3028 disclosures, which are not required in district court, is to avoid as much expense for discovery as we can. I don't want to spend a lot of money on small claims. I'm not spending my money, but I'm spending your money, which of course makes it more difficult to resolve files. So let's do this. What kind of dog? Lab?
It's a golden retriever.
Oh, hi, guy.
Bodie. You say hi?
Hi. Yes, a couple of days ago, I had an 18-month-old who was running around in diapers. So. Okay, so let's get you guys another date, and let's get you back on this is docket July the 12th. Now, does that day work for both of you?
Yeah, that works.
You said July 12th, Your Honor?
At 11 o'clock, yes, sir. That works for both of you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so we're gonna give you a pretrial date, July 12th at 11 o'clock. In the meantime, if you guys want to stipulate to come for discovery, you can certainly do that, submit some kind of order in that regard too, so I know exactly what it is you've agreed to. In the meantime, counsel, let's get those bills in, and then if you don't stipulate, we can always raise the question again if it's necessary. But at this point, let's give them some bills and we can take a look at where we're going from here. Anything else we can accomplish today?
No,
Your
you're not.
Honor.
Okay, July 12th, 11 o'clock. Let's be safe, gentlemen. Thanks for coming in.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
Good. How about yourself?
I'm doing well.
Morning, Council. Turn on your sound. Okay. This is case number 22-177-876. Debt Holdings LLC versus Jessica Kroll. Date and time for pretrial, your respective appearances.
Hamzi Sob, Your Honor, on behalf of Debt Holdings PA 2080.
Jessica Kroll.
Okay. My understanding is you guys have achieved a settlement.
Correct. Yeah, I submitted it to the court. I believe it was yesterday. I submitted it to the court, and I'm not sure if it reached your desk yet.
It has not.
If you'd like, I can put the terms of the consent on the record.
Please do.
So me and Ms. Kroll, we reached an agreement where the damages in the case were $3,053.70. That was the original amount owing. The cost of $95 and the statutory attorney fee, which would a total judgment amount of $32,2370. So $3,223.70. But we agreed that defendant upon paying a one-time payment of $2,300 by June 21st of 2022 will have satisfied the judgment in full. And me and Ms. Kroll signed the agreement and we submitted to the court, which I understand there's a wait period before it reaches your desk.
All right, ma'am, did you hear those terms? I couldn't hear you.
Yes, I did.
Did you agree to those terms?
I do, yes.
Okay, so what I will do is, as I understand you, you have until June 30th to make that payment. Was that the agreement?
21st.
June 21st. Okay, so how about I give you guys, well, it's already in the original sign. Did you sign that consent judgment, ma'am?
Did.
And you sent it back to council?
I did, yes.
And you sent it to me?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm going to accept representation of the parties. The case has been settled, and I'll just simply dismiss it without prejudice. Looking forward to your closing documents.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, now you got, ma'am, you have the address where the money and all that's supposed to be sent?
Thank you.
Okay, all right, then we're done. We're going to send you guys out a dismissal without prejudice. When the other documents catch up with the file, we'll send you copies of those as well. Thank you both for coming.
Thank you, Judge.
Let's be safe out here.
Thank you, Judge.